In this video, we will explore the play axis feature in the Inforiver Super Filter, which automates filter selection. Instead of manually clicking through values, play axis cycles through them automatically and dynamically updating the report as each value is selected. Let's get started. We begin by adding Inforiver Super Filter to the report and adjusting its size and position. Next, we will populate the category data field with the category column. Next, we navigate to the Format pane and enable the Play Axis toggle. This unlocks a range of configuration options, allowing us to customize how the play axis cycles through values. Let's start with the Loop toggle. Enabling this option, it allows the category selection to cycle continuously, ensuring a seamless looping effect. Next, here we can adjust the time delay, which determines the delay in seconds before transitioning to the next category item. This lets you control the pacing of the automatic selection. Then, we enable the Display Label toggle. This option displays the currently selected category value as a label within the filter. Now, by enabling the Auto Start toggle, Play Axis starts automatically when the dashboard loads. For now, we will keep it turned off. Then we enable the Cumulative Selection toggle. It allows users to incrementally add filters instead of replacing them. This means that each new value is added to the filter instead of replacing the previous one. Let's see it in action. Click on Play button, and you will notice that instead of replacing the previous value, the new value is added to the filter. Lastly, we will see the multi-level selection in Play Axis. It allows filtering through all unique data point combinations when more than one category is added to the visual. First, we turn off the Cumulative Selection toggle. Then, we navigate to the Visualization pane and add the subcategory column to the category data field. Next, we return to the Play Axis section in the Format pane and enable the Multi-Level Selection toggle. Now, click the Play button, and you will see the filters cycle through all unique combinations in a hierarchy, not just individual categories. This is especially useful for detailed drill-down analysis, allowing users to explore each unique combination one at a time for deeper insights in a hierarchical data. Next, we'll explore the cumulative selection option in combination with multi-level selection using a date hierarchy example. First, we remove the category and subcategory columns from the matrix visual. Then, add the date column and expand it to show the year and month levels in the hierarchy. Next, do the same in the Super Filter. Remove the category and subcategory columns and replace them with the date column, ensuring the year and month hierarchy is set. Now, we go to the Format pane and enable the Cumulative Selection toggle under the Play Axis section. This feature allows users to apply filters incrementally rather than replacing them. With each new value selected, the filter builds upon the previous one, preserving earlier selections. In the context of multi-level selection, this means that all unique data point combinations across the hierarchy are added sequentially. This creates a cumulative view, revealing how trends evolve over time through different levels of the hierarchy. Next, click the Play button in the Super Filter. As you can see, it starts with July 2022, then adds August 2022, and continues to build, visually illustrating how the trend progresses over time. Here's how cumulative and multi-level selection features combine to enhance functionality in the Play Axis. This is how the Play Axis feature automates data filtering and reducing the need for manual selection. Download Inforiver Super Filter today, Microsoft certified visual, and use it for free forever. For more information, refer to the documentation provided in the description.